Hi friends, and welcome back to my channel. So I've had in my head an idea for a long time, and as you know, I've been out of the cookie game for quite a few years, so I haven't sold an actual set of cookies in maybe about, I don't know, it's been probably more than 5 years. So this whole time I've been thinking to myself, how much does it actually cost now to make a cookie? And like, why are people charging what they're charging, and where are they getting these numbers? So that's kind of why this video has come about, is because I want to actually break down the cost of the items that I use to make cookies and kind of come up with a rough number of what it costs to make one cookie, basically, and then kind of go from there, because I've been thinking about starting to sell cookies again, but I need to find a price. So let's get started. So to begin, we need to lay out the recipe that we will be using, which is my recipe that is posted on my YouTube channel. And that consists of 2 sticks of butter, 1 large egg. It also has 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, 3.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/8 teaspoon of salt, and I believe that is it. So that's what we are working with, and we have to. So the next step, now that we have our recipe, is finding all of our ingredients at your closest local grocery store. And I usually buy the cheapest ingredients, basically, which not necessarily translates into the cheapest quality. If you get what I mean. You can certainly price this at the more expensive ingredients, but for the purpose of this video, we are choosing the cheapest ones at our local grocery store for drive up. So our recipe calls for 2 sticks of butter, and I was able to find this Great Value brand for $2.42 for 2 sticks of butter. Our eggs are going to cost 38 cents for this recipe because we only need one. For our granulated sugar, it's going to be 43 cents for this recipe. For our all-purpose flour is 45 cents in total. For our baking powder is nearly nothing. It's like a cent, but we still included it in here. And then for our salt is even less. It's like 0.004, which is almost nothing, but I still included it on here. And then we have our vanilla, which is 11 cents for this recipe. And I went ahead and added all of this up, and I was actually surprised that it's only $3.81 total for cookie dough. I feel like the majority of the expense in cookie decorating and cookies themselves is the equipment that you need to make them, because I didn't include the baking pans, the cookie cutters, the rolling pin guides. I also didn't include like how much you spend on light or gas depending on your stove. The washing of the dishes, like the aftermath of all of it. So I feel like this is going to be a longer series than just figuring out how much our cookie dough was. So as far as this video goes, we're gonna leave it here at $3.81 for our actual cookie dough recipe, which is my recipe, the recipe that I gave you. And then on our next video, we're going to go over royal icing cost, and I feel like that's going to be a little bit more expensive because meringue powder itself is probably the most expensive ingredient on that ingredient list. And on our third video, we're going to go over like equipment and how much baking pans and cookie cutters cost, because I feel like this topic is a lot more extensive than just figuring out how much you're actually spending on the ingredients. I feel like this is probably more of a conversation of your time, your talent, charging what how do I want to say this, like charging for your work and realizing how good or how advanced you are, and not overcharging people just because everybody else is overcharging. So I feel like this topic is more extensive than just pricing. Obviously, 381 is going to give you approximately, for this recipe, 26 to 30 cookies. But the work that goes into it all, even just baking and cutting the cookies, is a lot more than $3.81. So stay tuned for video number 2 and 3, because if we put this all in one video, I feel like it's going to be too long. So thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comments below what area do you live in? I live in Texas. So these are Texas prices. I know that a lot of people probably see more expensive prices than these. So let me know in the comments where you're located, and if you've priced your cookie recipe and you don't mind sharing with us, letting us know. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, share this video with a friend, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.